जी beta, next is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. I think so you all people know about the Jallianwala Bagh. You have visited on the Jallianwala Bagh, which is in Amritsar, and you know about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre also. So we have to do it. In protest to the Rowlatt Act, people of Amritsar observed a peaceful hartal on 30 March and 6th April 1919, means against protest, means against the Rowlatt Act. The people of Amritsar observed they done the hartal on 30th March and 6th April 1919. The government used force to curb the protest on April 10, 1919. Two popular leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu, were deported from Amritsar. As a reaction, the protesters committed acts of arson and attacked a few Europeans. On 12th April 1919, an order was issued by the government banning and meeting and gathering of the people. Means first of all, the people of Amritsar start the hartal, and against this hartal, the government taken the issue and they ban the meetings and gathering of the people. In Amritsar on 13th April 1919, about 10,000 Indians had assembled in the Jallianwala Bagh to protest against the Rowlatt Act and to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Means on 13th April in Amritsar, all peoples get together in the Jallianwala Bagh to protest against the Rowlatt Act and to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. But the British military commander, Brigadier General Reginald Dyer, ordered his troops to fire at the civilians in the Jallianwala Bagh without any warning. Means they get the British commander given the order to his troops, means groups, members of the army, without any warning. According to this historians, 379 people were killed and about 1130 were injured in the firing. This firing incident is known as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next is the rise of Mahatma Gandhi. We know that about the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation. Gandhiji played a key role in winning freedom for India. He introduced the concept of ahimsa and satyagraha. Ahimsa means non-violence and satyagraha means the way of truth, which he used to fight the mighty British Empire. We know that we are celebrating the Gandhi Jayanti on 2 October. So the birth of Gandhiji on 2 October 1869 at Porbandar. Gandhiji completed his law degree in 1891 in England and returned to India. It was in South Africa that Gandhiji became a Mahatma from Mohandas. Means after the after return to India, the Gandhiji was in South Africa when the Gandhiji become Mahatma from Mohandas, because firstly the name of the Gandhiji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji. His life is South Africa underwent a change when he fought against racism and defended the rights of Indians there. When he returned to India in 1915, few people knew him, but very soon he became popular in India due to his simplicity and leadership abilities. It means Gandhiji, when he became the Mohandas, then his life was changed, and when they struggled for the rights of Indians. Firstly, they know only some peoples, but after some time, he was become popular with its simplicity and leadership abilities. Tribute to Gandhiji is there, beta. This is the statement about Gandhiji which given by the Einstein. Paying tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his death, famous scientist Albert Einstein said, "Generations that to come will scarce believe that such a man as this walked the earth, his flesh and